Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a hot topic that's got many talking: taxes in Pakistan's fiscal year 2024-25. Specifically, why the salaried class is now paying more in taxes than ever before. So grab a cuppa and let's break it down. First off, let's talk numbers. In FY24, Pakistan's salaried class became the third largest income tax contributor, surpassing even the textile sector. That's right, folks. The textile industry, which raked in $16.655 billion in exports, saw only a modest 7.4% increase in its tax contributions. In contrast, the salaried class contributed a whopping Rs. 367.8 billion. That's a 39.42% increase from the previous year. And it doesn't stop there. The banking sector is leading the charge, with a massive 66% increase in its tax contributions, reaching Rs. 946.08 billion. That's almost 21% of the total income tax collection. Incredible, right? But let's not forget the petroleum and power sectors. Petroleum products generated Rs. 195 trillion in federal tax revenue, with income tax rising 6% to Rs. 413.48 billion. The power sector also saw a significant 38.7% increase in tax collection, bringing in Rs. 640.61 billion. These sectors are crucial, but the high taxes on petroleum and electricity have burdened the public, driving up utility and transportation costs and contributing to a staggering 23.41% inflation rate. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The Pakistan Business Council, or PBC, has raised concerns about the increased tax rates for salaried individuals. They argue that the private sector can't just print money or borrow to offset these higher taxes and inflation. The PBC even warns that these high taxes could accelerate the brain drain, as more highly skilled professionals leave Pakistan for better opportunities abroad. Speaking of emigration, the numbers are pretty shocking. The number of Pakistanis emigrating for work increased by 119% from 2022 to 2023. That's a massive jump, and it's not just unskilled workers leaving, it's highly skilled professionals too. So what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're earning more than Rs. 50,000 a month, brace yourself. The budget for 2024-25 increased the tax liability for higher earners significantly. Those earning Rs. 6 million a year or more now face an additional Rs. 22,500 in taxes. In the end, the increased tax burden on the salaried class is a double-edged sword. While it's boosting government revenues, it's also putting a strain on individuals and could lead to a loss of valuable talent. So what are your thoughts on this? Are you feeling the pinch of these higher taxes? Drop a comment below and share your experiences. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.